my divas, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sheetal. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to share an amazing tomato and beetroot ice cubes which will fade away scars, dark spots and pigmentation 3 times faster. I have been using these ice cubes for the past 1 week every single day. One amazing thing about using facial ice cube is that it melts into your skin super fast, leaving your skin incredibly soft, and it instantly brightens your skin. It also fades scars unbelievably faster. If you want to fade scars and dark spots faster, then please give these ice cubes a try. These are one of the best facial ice cubes I have ever tried so far. Within a week of regular use, you will find all scars and dark spots fading away very quickly. So without further ado, let's get started. To prepare these ice cubes, you will need 1 medium ripe tomato, 1 medium sized beetroot, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 2 teaspoon honey. Now to make these ice cubes, cut the tomato and beetroot and grind them into a fine paste with the help of a blender without adding any water. Once you have strained out the juice, add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 teaspoon honey. Mix well to combine the ingredients well. Now pour this mixture in an ice cube tray. Once you have poured the mixture, freeze them till they harden. To use, first wash your face with your favorite cleanser or face wash. Then take an ice cube and wrap it in a thin muslin cloth and rub it on your face in a circular motion. You will see that the ice cubes melts immediately into the skin. Rub till the ice cube melts completely into the skin. Within a week of regular use, you will find all the scars and blemishes fading away very quickly. Now let's talk about the benefits of these ice cubes. Tomatoes are a rich source of an antioxidant known as lycopene, which has a large number of health benefits. Lycopene gives tomatoes their distinctive red color and counteracts the action of free radicals in the body. Also, tomatoes are a potent source of vitamin A, C, K, potassium and folate. The high percentage of nutrients present in it make tomato very good for your skin. The major benefits of tomato when applied on face are it helps in lightening the skin. The antioxidants and vitamin C present in tomato acts as a natural bleaching agent which helps in reducing pigmentation, dullness, dark spots, making the skin brighter and radiant. So if you want to add a glow to your face, you must consider tomato. It also helps in reducing pimple and acne. It also helps in reducing oiliness. Since tomatoes are naturally acidic, they help balancing the pH levels of skin and combat excess production of oil by the sebaceous glands. It also helps in reducing blackheads, tighten your skin pores. Tomatoes is very effective in removing tan. The vitamins in tomato soothe sunburned skin by restoring the dead skin cells. We have also added beetroot in this ice cubes. Beetroot is a powerhouse of protein, fiber, vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, magnesium, potassium, manganese, iron and phosphorus. Beets are also a must-have in your beauty regime to deal with your various skin issues like acne and pimples, and also helps in reducing the scars, helps in clearing dead skin cells from the face to make it look soft. It also brightens your lips. If you want to achieve that perfect natural rosy color on lips, then you must apply some beetroot juice on your lips. Lemons are rich in many nutrients: citric acid, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, pectin and flavonoids. Lemon juice heals acne and removes blackheads. It lightens dark spots and blemishes. It prevents oily skin. Lemon juice contains antibacterial properties, which is why it is a great cleanser, helping fight the bacteria agents causing you breakouts. It also acts as a natural exfoliator, removing dead skin cells that can clog your pores, as well as a great oil eliminator. Now, honey has both emollient and humectant properties. Honey moisturizes the skin deeply. It acts as a pore cleanser, a gentle exfoliator. It helps in fighting acne and pimples. It reverses your age and also adds a natural glow on your skin. It is extremely moisturizing and hydrates even the driest of skin. Honey is naturally soothing and has healing properties. It also nourishes the damaged skin to fade scars. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful, and if you do, then please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any further updates from my channel. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, take care.